Today, we're talking all things foundation repair, what it costs, what to expect, and why it's worthwhile investment for your home's health. Let's be upfront. Putting off foundation repair can end up costing you way more down the line. A small crack in your drywall might seem harmless, but it usually means your foundation is shifting. If you ignore it now, that $2,000 fix could balloon into a $20,000 headache a few years later. Nailing down the exact cost of foundation repair is tricky. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The price depends on how bad the damage is, how big your foundation is, what type of foundation you have, and even the weather and soil where you live. Generally, you can expect to pay less for minor fixes than bigger projects like foundation lifting or stabilizing. What does this tell us? It means that getting a professional inspection is key. They can give you an accurate idea of the cost based on your specific situation, identify the source of the problem, and they'll work with you to figure out a solution that works for you, your home, and your wallet. So you've gotten the foundation problem. The good news, addressing these issues early can save you major money and stress later. Plus, investing in foundation repair protects your home's value in the long run. That's a win-win. Call foundation repair experts at Groundworks today to find the right fix for you.